tickle, tickle. Tick, 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 tick. Ha 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 ha. I am the tickle girl. I
Yellow.
love to tickle.
White.
Tick, 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 tick.
Violet.
Ha ha
Blue.
ha.
Pink. Purple.
Come here, I catch you, and I want to tickle you. Tickling is funny, so here we go. Tick, 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 tick. Ha 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 ha. Tick, 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 tick. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no!
Wow!
Yikes!
Wow! Fantastic!
Aww. Aha!
Some music, grab on them mic. La 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 la. This doesn't sound nice. Uh-oh, where is my lovely mouth? I was singing and now it's gone. Help me, help me, help me, please. I lost my pretty mouth. Have you seen it? Is this your mouth? No, no, no. It doesn't look like mine at all.
Wow! So cool! Uh-huh.
Yeah!
Cheeky monkey can climb up high.
Corn!
Cheeky monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out. Do not worry, we will find your tail. I will find it right away.
Yeah!
La 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 la.
Whoa! Fantastic!
Mommy! Oh! Mommy! Huh. Good! Yeah! Oh no!
One, two, three little babies, four little babies, five little babies are getting on the bus. Dooby-dooby-doo-ba-ba. Five little babies, one.
Wow! Oh no, my hair!
What happened? Oh! To easily comb your hair, we'll make a magic spray. We'll need hair conditioner and regular water. You can even add glitter. Mix it up. Here you go.
No, I don't want it!
Okay, let's test it on your doll. Apply spray on and her hair will look like a princess's. Now it's your turn.
Okay, let's try it! Oh, wow! Thank you, Mommy. Yeah!
I got a boo-boo Snack, 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 yummy, 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 yum. I love eating, I can't stop. I can eat all day long. Yummy treats, I can't resist.
Good job.
Want it all for
Oops.
What is that I see? I'm not sure, it seems so scary. Looks like some very sharp teeth, or maybe it's a monster. I'm hiding under the sheets. I don't want to face my fears.
Woohoo!
It's deep
Yes!
and it's so crazy. I don't know what to do. It's okay, darling, don't you worry. We're all scared sometimes. Sometimes it's your imagination and
Good job.
Huh?
No way. Let me show you what to do.
Whoa!
Ew. Here you go.
Wow!
Yeah. Purple.